Welcome to Dentside Depot. Today we're going to take an old Chevy truck and turn it into a lawnmower and more by using a snow plow and a whole bunch of other stuff. Sit back and enjoy. Okay, so what we have to do before we start welding up and fabricating our lawnmower attachment is we need to clean up all the paint for the welds. This is actually powder coated, so what I'm going to do next is grind off all that powder coat. So all I got to do is just clean up the rest of the spots where we're going to do welds, and then we'll be ready to start fabricating. Alright, so I have all the brackets welded in and everything done. What I ended up doing for this design was I tried to mimic the factory snowplow setup the best I could. So for the bottom of the plow mount, I actually welded a square bar all the way across the mower, and I mimicked the mounts that were on the original plow blade, and they both go in with trailer hitch pins on each side to hold that in, and that allows the mower to actually articulate up and down as it's moving across the lawn. Over here, the original plow had these two springs on each side, and that was to allow the plow to spring up and then spring back down to push the snow. I eliminated the spring. I mimicked the bracket right here and moved it over here in a similar fashion. And then on the mower, I welded two square plates on each side, and I have solid brackets on each side. So when the mower goes to articulate up, it can hold it and move it up into the air. Then when we go to actually use the mower on the grass, both of these brackets, the bolts just unscrew, the brackets come out, and then having only 2 points of contact, the mower should, in theory, be able to articulate up and down as we're mowing the lawn. We'll see how it works out, but the last thing we have to do is see if this will actually lift up the mower off the ground with the plow mount. All right, now that we've got everything hooked up, it's finally time to test it, see if our plow is actually going to lift this mower up in the air. So let's see what happens. Here we go. So there we go. Lawnmower truck that can lift up a lawnmower with the plow mount. The only thing is, does it let it go back down? Let's see. Oh yeah, she's ready to rock. So definitely one change would be to put flags up in the front so I can see where the lawnmower actually is.
As you can see, our view here is non-existent of that mower.
The hardest part is turning around and getting it lined up again. Like if it was just a giant field it would be no problem. I could go like 30 miles per hour and do the whole thing quickly. But on a small lawn, it just doesn't make any sense because it's such a small area. This guy across the street's looking at us like, what are you doing, dude? You are insane. Just cutting the grass.
Cutting the grass our own special way.
On a small lawn. On a very small lawn. All right, now make a left turn. And then another left turn.
Obviously. It's like a NASCAR style mowing here.
Conversation with him.
That's pretty funny.
There he is. Oh wait, no, you ran over your light, man.
Oh, did I?
Yep. You may have taken a couple things out, and I think it chucked it.
Oops. That's not good.
Oh no, it saved it. Oh, good.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, see? Professional at work here.
I hope you enjoyed this episode. It was just something fun that we wanted to do here at Dentside Depot. Please stay tuned for more great trucks. Please like and subscribe and comment if you like this video. Thanks. See you next time.